Next we will bisect a line segment. First of all, on your worksheet it might already have a line segment, but if it doesn't, please draw one. If it doesn't specify, you can draw it to whatever length you want. If it does tell you, please draw it to the correct length. I've drawn a line segment here that's 80 centimeters long. And I'm just going to name it A, B, like that. So this is line segment AB. So I'm going to bisect this now, and I'm going to bisect it with, let's say, line CD. Okay? First of all, get your compass and measure it so it's at least half the length of the line segment, at least. My line segment is 80 centimeters long, so I will make sure that it is, let's say, 50 or more. If you make it very close to 40 to the halfway line, your answer won't be as accurate. So please make sure it's at least half. That's probably about 55 or 60. I think that's fine. So I will put my compass point at point A, or I could choose point B, doesn't matter. And then I will draw either two small arcs, or if I want a very large arc, doesn't matter which. Next, please make sure that you keep your compass radius the same. If you change it, your answer will be incorrect. From now, I will go to the other end of the line segment that I didn't use, that's at point B, and I will draw either two other small arcs or one very large arc if I want to. We should have two cross sections here. If you didn't, please go back and make sure that the arcs are long enough to connect. Next, I will draw my line CD, and it will go through each of these points that I created here, and also the line segment. You can choose where you want to put C and D in this example.